Hello friends, you are all welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. I've brought you the simple, easy, delicious goat meat light soup. This is perfect for any kind of swallow. Don't let me talk much, let's get it started. Garlic in a mixer. I'll be adding onion into it and some water for easy blending. Now mix everything together, and this is what you're going to have. Take a good look at it. That is it. Now we keep it aside. I'll be pouring bell pepper in a mixer now. Add tomatoes into it, onion, and some scent leaves as well. Yes. I'm not going to slice my scent leaf. I'm just going to add it into the pepper now, and I'm going to add some water for easy blending and mix everything together. And after mixing, this is what you're going to have. That is the goat meat I'll be using. I'm using goat head. Yes. It's not only equal B you need to make your goat head, but you need to try this, and I bet it you're going to love it. Now let's continue. That is our garlic and onion mix. Pour it on top of the goat head. Add thyme. Add some black pepper, oregano, curry. I'll be adding some ginger powder, seasoning mixture, salt, pepper soup spice. Yes, pepper soup spice. Seasoning. I'll be using fresh dill leaves. This is optional. It's now time to add some water. You can add hot water, cold water, warm water, it doesn't matter. Now cover and bring it to a boil. Let's check it. It has been cooking for a while. Yes, this is not fully done. It's almost done, but not fully done. Now mix everything together. Just shake it a bit together. It's now time to get our pepper mix. That is the pepper mix. Add it into it. I'll be using chili powder for the heat vibe. I did not use habanero pepper for the pepper mix. That is why I'm using chili powder. So I'm adding some seasoning into it again and palm oil as well. Now give it a good mix together. So cover and cook. So lovely. That is our stew. You need to taste this. What will you be rocking this with? With fufu? Is it with kokonte, eba, amala? I'll be rocking mine with this yummy pando yam. Loveless, give this a try, and I bet that you're going to love it. It is simple and tastes absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching.